Hi, Len. It's Colin. How are you doing? Okay, so I'm trying to investigate and sort of figure out what's going on here. So you're talking about the pictures being cut off. Let me just grab my pictures here, and I've actually been trying to compare this. I only have Windows 10 with not Internet Explorer. It's now Microsoft Edge. But here's the image cut one. I've actually opened that up in. I'm going to open this up in my Adobe Fireworks here, just so we can see if we can sort of spot it here in your screenshot. Okay. Just bear with me for a second here. Okay, so what we're looking at here is just to sort of investigate. The image is called a parallax, so it sort of moves in the background. So if we look at the fan here, it moves up and down in relation to the background of the page. Okay, but I'm looking at your screenshot here. Let's go. I'm going to see if I can pull that one up there. See if you have that one right there. That's it. Let's go and open this one up right here. Okay, so there it is there. Your 1920 by 1080p. Right, you have to, please don't mind my talking to myself here. But that is exactly, this is what it should look like. So here's, I've got it right here. See right here after the four little boxes? Now that's where the image is supposed to cut off. Okay, right above the buttons. So let's just use this, just help me clarify what I'm looking at here. Here's your page here with the fan. It stops right down here. It goes up and that's fine. What am I looking at? Because what I'm looking at here actually, just as a comment, or my thought was, you see how big this looks? See the button over here and how large your toolbar is down here? My first thought was your DPI settings for your computer might be a little bit higher than average. You might have a larger so it's easier to read, but that may have an effect on the web page when you're looking at it. So I was going to suggest, if you can, look at it on a different computer if you can. Look at this web page or your website on a different computer to start with. Just see, excuse me, if it looks different for you on a different computer, like it did for us. And we'll start with that, okay? Because I have a feeling, first of all, I'm not 100% sure what I'm looking at. And the other thing is, because your toolbar here is so big, um, I was kind of thinking that you had a different DPI setting, and that's what was doing that.